Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, friends. Okay, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So, what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand in a better way, friends. Okay, and as I always recommend all of you to read this book because this book is very nice, friends, and it gives you to see your life in a new dimension, in a 360-degree dimension. So I always recommend my viewer to read this book, and this book is very good, friends. Okay, so we will start. In our last topic, I have covered the topic called "View Things from the Spiritual Angle." So in our this topic, I am going to cover the topic called "Do not let horoscope influence you," friends. Okay. And before we begin, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving each and every number to each and every video, so you will understand, right, in a proper way. Because anytime if you come in 18th video, then 41 video, you will get confused. So I suggest you to come sequence wise, so in that way you can understand in a better way, friends. Okay. So this will be our 72 number video, friends. Okay, so I will start. The date is 17/6/1981, 17 June 1981. Do not let horoscope influence you. Okay, this is the name of the topic. One thing we would like to clarify is with regards to horoscope. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri that in regards to horoscope, Vipsi and Ratu wants to clear to us Earth world some important things. Let's see what's that. When you read your weekly or daily prediction in the newspaper, it will have an effect on your mind. Your thoughts are very powerful and are affected by what you read. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us when many of us have a habit of when a newspaper comes in our house, first we take the newspaper and read horoscope, our daily prediction. So what is going to happen today, what is going to happen tomorrow, and it somehow influences our mind, right? So if it is written something good will happen, so we always become happy in the day, and if in horoscope it written something bad will happen, so unknowingly we become sad. So uh, Vipsi and Ratuvanshal, we get influenced by our horoscope in some of the other way, thus ensuring the flow of event as per your horoscope. So you may say the horoscope was right. So many times we say that horoscope is right due to the influence. Many a time, as I said you, we get influenced with the horoscope and we say our horoscope was right. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. This is nothing but brainwashing for the weak minded people. If you want to make something happen, your positive thought will definitely help in most of the cases. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri that this is nothing but a brainwash. Because if we want to make any positive changes in our life, that only by positive thinking the positivity can come into our life rather from reading a horoscope that there is something good or something bad. Apart from getting influenced by it, we should be positive. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagari cases. Your subconscious mind will know that the horoscope is wrong, but your physical mind may think it is right. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling many a times our subconscious mind always knows that this horoscope is wrong. But our physical mind, our conscious mind always thinks that this horoscope is right. Your subconscious mind know the truth. If the horoscope is wrong, your subconscious mind may not cooperate with you. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling the our subconscious mind always knows the truth. And if the horoscope is wrong, our subconscious mind won't cooperate with us. The meaning of this, for example, if I read my horoscope today and it is written something bad is going to happen, and nothing bad is happening because our subconscious mind know today no bad thing is going to happen, so it is not going to cooperate according to the daily prediction. Or in my horoscope today it is written something good is going to happen with me, but that day something bad is written, so that bad thing will happen because our subconscious mind is not going to cooperate whatever written in the daily prediction. So this Vipsi and Ratu wants to make us understand via Koshit Bhavnagari. you. So do not be disappointed. Think of everything that happens as God wish. So we should think whatever is happening by God wish. So we should not get disappointed by if something is written in horoscope it is not happening. We should not think why it is not happening or it should happen. No. And thank God Almighty for properly guiding you. Use your own free will. So do not be fooled by astrologer and prediction. It all depends on your you and your choices. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari that always have belief on God Almighty, pray to God, and do not get fooled by the astrologers. Okay, so we should have faith in God. We should think that God is with us, and everything good thing will happen. We should use our free will. That today everything is going to happen good with me. That's it. Final. Now nothing can. To my success, no barrier can come. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. So friends, our this topic comes to an end. So today's topic which I covered, the name of the topic was do not let horoscope influence you. And the next topic which I'm going to cover is that power can be used for good or bad, projecting and receiving powers. This is going to be the next topic. And friends, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like this video, so whenever I upload a new video you will get the notification. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so whenever you come sequence wise you will understand in a better way. And as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video, so what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you people can understand in a better way, friends. Okay, so now I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Be blessed, be happy, and hope so one day we all will meet in the spirit world and you will say, yes, I used to see your video and today we all are in the spirit world. Okay, friends? Bye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay. Thank you, friends. Bye bye. Take care.